Are you ready to create a home office on a budget? Today, I'll show you how to set up a professional ergonomic workspace for less than $500, including a computer. But first, let me share a personal lesson I learned the hard way. When I first started working from home, I thought I could get by with just a table and no proper chair. Big mistake. The lack of ergonomic support caused me pain and injury faster than I ever imagined. Trust me, you don't want to go down that road. Let's dive into how you can avoid that while still keeping costs low. Note that there are not affiliate links, so I do not get paid if you chose the options or not. They are designed to guide you towards a successful remote office setup. 1. The computer. A laptop is the heart of your home office, and you don't need to spend a fortune to get a reliable one. This Dell Latitude 7480, priced at just $210 on Walmart, is a powerhouse for the price. With an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD, it's perfect for remote work. It also comes with Windows 10 Pro and a crisp 14-inch Full HD display. You can find a link in the video description. 2. The chair. Let's talk about comfort, because an ergonomic chair is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Gaming chairs are an affordable option that offers excellent support. I recommend the Bigzzia gaming chair, available in pink white or pink black, and a total of 15 other color options. It has a high back for extra comfort and adjustable armrests. You can grab it for just $79.99 in the video description. 3. The Desk A sturdy and functional desk doesn't have to break the bank. Check out this Bestier reversible desk with LED lights and storage shelves. It's priced at $79.99 and adds a touch of flair to your setup. Click the link in the description. 4. Accessories. Most companies supply extra equipment like monitors, a mouse, and a keyboard. But if you're furnishing these yourself, here are some affordable options. Keyboard and mouse combo. For just $18, this colorful combo is a steal. It's available in pink, purple, or red here. Spare monitor. If you need an external monitor, this 15-inch portable display is only $50 and works with laptops and other devices. Wrapping up. With just under $500, you'll have everything you need for a professional and ergonomic home office. Plus, you'll avoid the pitfalls of an uncomfortable, injury-prone setup like the one I experienced. What if you don't have $500 to spend? No worries. Check out our next video to learn how to create a remote office setup on an even tighter budget.